Hey guys, this is Dogbeard Loves Games here, and this is my first real YouTube video. I kind of took a little break from it, and now I've got an actual PC, so I'll be doing some YouTube videos. This is going to be a new series. I'll be playing this very often. I hope I will try to do around 20 to 30 minute episodes each time, and we're gonna try beating the game. So, I have played this once already. I did not beat it though. I got like halfway and thought, it's gonna be a good idea to record it and post on my YouTube channel. So, see how it goes. Here, we'll do a... Oh, those are some cool looking ones. Yeah, let's do this. Here we go. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. Here we go. Nice, carrots. That's good. That's a good start. Oh, hold shift to sprint. Oh, I already finished that. Okay, so this is our little farm right now. Oh, that area is blocked off. Oh, it's stamina, that's why I can't run. Oh! Oh, it's so cute! It's a little fluffy. Yay, my pink slime is down. I'll also collect some chickens. Ooh, first plort, that's some good money. These go over here, if I remember correctly. Last time I played this was a very long time ago. Ooh, 14 bucks, let's go. Nice, yes, good money. I wonder if there's any more of the tutorial, and then we can just go exploring. We'll check it out. I honestly don't know if my recording can handle this. We'll bring that up a little bit. Shader quality, just gonna bring it down. Yeah, I'll turn that off too. Oh yeah, that still looks fine. Yeah, and the stream seems to be doing better. Okay. That covers the basics. The dry reef. So this is the area right outside of spawn. What's this? Is this like a little... gotta be honest, I'm not really in the story, but I'm just gonna be farming and stuff. I'm sure I'll get into it at some point. Oh, great. Ah, heck yes. Let's go. Oh, I can't fit it. I'll have to come back for it. Or I'll throw out a hand. More pink slimes. I guess I'll bring these back to the ranch. What's that? Chickadoo. Cool. Received a mail from Casey. It's a ranch house. Yeah, this is what that is. Here, I'll give y'all some time if y'all want to read that. Here's this. This is the first one. Y'all can pause the video here if you want to read it. Yeah. Let's go back into the world. Pretty sure from here you just keep exploring, getting money, stuff like that, right? You just gotta farm. Oh. Heck yeah. Let's see what's a little bit further. Oh, we got some regular pink slimes. Enough inventory space. Aw, little baby hens. I can't fit any more carrots. Oh, no fall damage. Okay, that's cool. What's this thingy? Pink Gordo. Oh wow, he really tanked that. Can I get these? Nope. Oh, cocoa fruit. Most common found fruit. Cool. Oh, still hungry, huh? Maybe I'll go back and feed him in a second. Oh, we got a little map. Oh wow, there's a lot to discover. And there's like a second island, looks like. Cool. We'll check all of it out. Going around 6. Oh, what's that? Tabby slime. Any more tabby slime? Doesn't look like it, no. More free money. Nice. Oh wow, there's a lot of money right here. What's that? Ooh. I'm gonna take that rock slime. I'll take 2 of them. Ow! That was rude. He hit me. How mean is that? That was very mean. So I think I can build a new house. Okay, corral. Yeah, you two can live together. Huh. Ow. Don't eat me. You know, like this. Eat the stony hand. Oh! Happy Cat loved it. 2 plorts. I'm pretty sure you eat them. Okay, well that's a big one. That's for sure. I'm pretty sure he gives me double plorts now. Can I feed you the chicken? I need the money. Aw, heck yes. That's what I'm talking about. Here, I will make y'all into... Yeah. Let's keep them over here. There you go. 2 little rock slime. Cool. Ooh, big bucks coming in. That's what I'm talking about. Offline. Wonder I get that online. The overgrowth. 1,700 is a lot. Oh, what's over here? I didn't see this area. Can I go over here? Oh, I guess I can. There's a little buy thing. Maybe we'll get a... Oh, it's cool. It's like a... Looks like a little house area. Maybe you can, like, live over there. I don't really know the importance of this game. I'm pretty sure you're just farming, so we'll just be here, just chilling, having a good time. Next episode, I'll probably get into the plot a little bit more. Yeah. Maybe I'll try to get some of those. Rock slime, I'll take it. Oh, maybe I'll go beat that fat one. Oh. Oh, wow. I got a key. Gold slime. Where'd it go? Where'd the golden slime go? I tried eating it. What is that? Phosphor slime. Phosphor slime. Interesting. Oh, it is a nighttime. It looks like a firefly. Let me just go around. I'll pick up all these little chicks, and then I'll make a farm back at base. And I'll grow up. It'll be cute. Oh, what's that? Pink rock slime. Oh wow, there's a lot of pink rock slimes over here. What's in the cave? Uh-oh, the death symbol. Nope, I'm not going in there. That was this type of slime, I'm pretty sure. The phosphorus. Yeah. Let's get these back to base. I could possibly do a... I need to see what sells more at the market, but we could do a mix between a phosphorus slime and tabby, maybe. Eat it. Eat it. Get fat. Come on. Oh, you know you want it. There you go. Oh, shoot. Back me, didn't you? Yeah, you eat that. There we go. Nice. This is looking good. Here, let's make a coop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill out, y'all. Y'all need to chill out. No. Where's my chicken? No. No. No, my chickens. Maybe that wasn't the best idea, having those two so close. Here, can I... High walls. Okay, that's what we want. These ones are also looking over there. Do I need to move this? Is this not a good spot for it? Yeah, I probably gotta move it, huh? That's too bad. Yeah, I'll just delete it. Not enough. Oh, it costs money? I thought I paid you when you deleted it. You'll have to stay for now. I don't have enough money for that. Oof. Yeesh. The money farm is hard. 26 bucks. Nice. What? Oh no, I didn't do that. That one jumped so high. Oh gosh. What have I gotten myself into? These are some very tall ones. I gotta go find a way to get some money real fast. Oh! Oh, some more phosphorus! Oh, maybe I can feed them real quick and then they'll all grow up. I don't know what I can feed them though. There's not much food around, is there? I do need some... Yeah, that's what I need. Phosphorus and water. Oh, what's over here? I don't think I've been this way. Oh, it's like a secret little cave. Cool. I'll be taking all of you back to my ranch. That? Oh, it's just so there's a slime. There's a little graphic on the wall. Nice. There you go. Sleep until morning. Here we are. What's this? Oh, just tells you about the stuff. Okay. 130 bucks. Not very good. What kind of buy with 130 bucks over here? Oh, everything's so expensive. Too bad. I need to get a... Oh, all my chickens grew up. Let's notice. Do they keep going, or do I need to find more, like... Oh, I can get high wall from this, and then they won't come in. Wait, hens produce eggs? Oh, so that they get more chickens. Okay. I don't know how this game works yet. Y'all can tell. Yeah, I'll do one more run, and then I'm probably gonna call it for today, and then I'll make another video tomorrow, probably. Gotta make a little mini series, you know, gotta capitalize. Nice, bad. Couple of chickens. Oh wow, lots of rock slimes over here. Oh, chicken. You ate the chicken, and there you. Oh, what's this way? I didn't see this way before. Oh! There's a whole other area. Chicken! Another? No! I'll drop you. Heck yeah. Wait, I'll drop you for now. So I got a gold plort. I don't know if that's really good or not. Oh, happy core though. Treasure pot is lost. Okay. Oh, there's a gate. I think that's what I needed that key for. I'll go back there later. I need to sell this plort and get some money. Oh, this stamina is quite annoying. I will need to upgrade that very quickly. Almost back. Let me get back into this plort. Oh wow! 425! I'm stacking in riches. Wowza. This is exactly what I need to farm phosphorus. What is this, by the way? I'll have to get some fruit then too. Solar shield. Yeah, I'll invest in it for now. So are they fine in here? Yeah, I think they are. And they won't be attracted to my chickens since they're... these are hungry too. Oh my... What the... No! These things are often everywhere. Okay, well. This is our progress so far. Here, I'll keep the cabbies actually. Ow. Look, the chicken, yo. Come on, I'm too hungry. There you go. Oh, don't jump out now. Did I get it? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Green money, green money. Let's go! 300 bucks. Pretty sweet. Okay, that's what I'm going to call it for this episode. This was Slime Rancher episode 1. We found our first gold plort today. It's very epic. Cool. See y'all in the next one.